Guys, today we will be making a slime. What you will need is a cup like this, about that size. You'll need a Mountain Dew Black Label or just really any kind of colored drink. And you'll also need some baking soda and some salt. You want to have a ditch like this. Go down into your ditch, find some really swampy, juicy muck. Like over here, see this muck? You're gonna find some of this stuff that's real good and just get some ditch muck. Like, see this stuff? This is good. Okay, so I'll be back. So you need to have some baking soda like this right here. Pour it into the muck. Then you take some salt right here and also put it into the muck. Here's where you take your Mountain Dew. Not sponsored, by the way. You take your Mountain Dew. See this? So you just pour it in. Okay, where it's foaming like that. Okay, and then you mix it up really well. Oh, that's nasty, it just spilled out. Let's take this away from here. Not on my good locker. And there we have it, slime.